I was extremely nervous. I didn't know how to speak there, being an actor, professional actor for 30 years. But to go and speak in front of some of the best minds, and not the best minds because they have a collection of the greatest of scientists, innovators, inventors, no. The best minds because they have the simplest idea, the smallest idea, and they're willing to share it with the world because I truly believe the world changes by the smallest of ideas. I hear a lot of people who talk about world domination and taking over and doing this and changing the face. No, I think all changes that take place in the world, in life, anywhere in the universe, I think, is because of a small idea. And I think the bigness of TED Talks lies in the fact that it gives a huge platform to the smallest of ideas. So for me to be on this platform as a host, as an anchor, I don't even know what we'll call it that once the show comes on air. I want to thank the other gentleman who came on stage before me, that is Mr. Uday Shankar. So thank you so much, sir. Kahan pe aap? For allowing me to be standing here. And thank you for taking this one big step. In the times when we are trying to take everything onto the digital world, why, pray, are we trying to bring stuff back on television? Is that a step backward? I don't think so. The main essence of that is the language part of it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो उदय साहब ने भी कहा कि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं पर हमारी अपनी भाषा, अब हमारी भाषा थोड़ी मिक्स हो चुकी है, मतलब हिंदुस्तानी सी हो गई है, इंग्लिश भी है उसमें, हिंदी भी है, स्पोकन जो भाषा है वो इजी हो गई है। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर हमारी भाषा के अंदर इंटेलेक्चुअलिज्म जो है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, मुझे कभी कभी लगता है समझ भी नहीं आता है क्योंकि इतने भारी भरकम वर्ड होते हैं। एक एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल को ये स्टेप लेने के लिए, sorry, Chris and Juliet, I'm just saying good things about you when I'm speaking in Hindi. I'm still praising you. Okay? So मैं अगर praise नहीं भी कर रहा हूँ तो बीच में मैं बोलता रहूँगा Juliet, Chris, एक बार तालियाँ बजा दो. See, I didn't say anything good about you, just made them clap. That's... So, like I was saying, the fact an entertainment channel like Star, they do some wonderful journal entertainment programs and they have all kind of series, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not saying one of the only ones, many years ago I remember Uday Saab met me and he started a program called Satyamev Jayate. I think that was the step in the right direction. You take issues, you take things that are happening in our country and present it to the country, men and women, so they understand and perhaps come up with solutions for the same. और इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्टार पे टेड टॉक्स इंडिया नई सोच का आना बहुत अहम बात है। वो इसलिए कि वो हमारी भाषा में होगी, वो एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म होगा जहाँ पे हमारे देशवासी, हमारे हिंदुस्तानी लोग, मर्द और औरतें और जवान लोग, a country which perhaps is the youngest, actually is the youngest country in the world, gives you an opportunity, a stage, a platform, giving an opportunity to our youngsters to come and share ideas, small ideas, which will change not only our country, but hopefully the rest